Anyway, what you doing, buddy? Just looking? Just staring? Huh? Well, unfortunately, that's all I can do right now. My knee is cramping a lot. I can't be squatted down for too long, or my knee just kind of really hurts. So that's what I've got so far. That's my handle for the gate. Came out real, thought it was really nice little odd piece that I couldn't fit, but works as a handle pretty good. Nice, it feels nice and solid. I'll probably add pieces up here later to give it more strength in here. And that's gonna be it. That's my gate so far. I would like to finish, but I can't keep squatting down. My knees, I've 20 years in construction has done numbers on my knees. So that's it. Before my legs fall asleep and I can't walk back to my house. My name is Sang. This is Growing Little Country Homestead. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.